Well, they can happen in a second. Cooking accidents, including deep cuts and major burns.
The experts say cooking accidents send more people to the ER over the holidays for one simple reason. Here's NBC5's Lauren Petty with what you need to watch out for.
They make for a delicious turkey, but spilled oil from a turkey fryer can cause major burns or even spark a fire.
The fire department doesn't want to be called out on Thanksgiving, and you don't want to lose your home on Thanksgiving Day either.
Sharp knives are another holiday hazard.
I severed the tendons in my pinky and ring finger, and I couldn't bend the tip of them.
Carving pumpkins. Carving these pumpkins with friends just a few weeks ago, 16-year-old Shane Colpoys cut two of her fingers so badly she needed surgery after her kitchen knife slipped.
So just like be aware what you're doing in the moment and just like think through your actions.
Shane went to hand surgeon Dr. Xavier Simcock, who sees more of these types of accidents this time of year.
There's a huge influx, right? And the reality of that is that everybody's distracted around their holidays.
That's what happened to Linda Benson.
Swollen. I can't bend it, so you see. So we'll start working on that.
She was using an immersion blender to make blueberry muffins just a few weeks ago when suddenly the blade stopped.
And just went like this to wipe the batter off. And what happened is the blade started spinning, and I amputated my finger. I mean, it cut my finger off.
Thankfully, surgeons were able to reattach her finger after she got help right away.
The key part is being evaluated quickly.
And Linda learned a valuable lesson.
Never touch a piece of equipment unless you unplug it.
A simple reminder to stay safe over the holidays. Lauren Petty, NBC5 News.
Wise words, and we're both going like,
Oh, man.
Another important note, we talked about this too, be sure your knives are sharpened. That dull blade requires more pressure as you cut, increasing your chance of it slipping and injuring.
I'm the carving guy on Thanksgiving, so you
better
gotta
get your
have a
knife
sharp
sharpened,
knife.
mister.
Absolutely.